Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can generate financial reports in FreshBooks. So it's a pretty simple process. First of all, on Google or your web browser, you will just search how to generate financial reports in FreshBooks. And this is the website that you'll see, and you need to enter this website which says Small Business Financial Reporting Software. So you'll just press on this. After that, this is the home page that you'll see. And from here, you'll see the small business financial reporting free trial. So what they do is if you want to do this, they offer you a free trial at first where you don't need to give your credit card details at first. And after the free trial ends, you'll have to choose a payment plan and continue paying. And of course, as you can see right here, you can cancel the free trial anytime and no credit card is required. So you'll just simply press on try it free. Now, what you can do is you can sign up with Apple, you can sign up with Google, and you can add your own email and own password as well. Whatever works with you, you can do that, and you'll just simply sign up. You'll also press on this tick. Now, after that, there are two steps that you'll need to fulfill. Your first step would be entering your profile information, and after that, you will add your business details. So simply you'll just add your first name here, you'll add your last name here, you'll add where you're located, you'll add your phone number, and you can also add how did you hear about FreshBooks. Now, after you've done that, you'll move on to the second step where you need to tell about your business. Now here you'll add your company name, you'll add what does your business do, you'll choose your industry, you'll choose how would you describe your business. From all of these options, you can choose one of them. Of course, these are all of your industries that you can choose from. Whatever business that you're doing, you will choose an industry according to that. Make sure it's as accurate as possible. After that, you will add your estimated revenue this year. You will choose your currency and you will choose your estimated revenue, as you can see right here. After that, you will fill this option. How long does it take to complete your services? Here you can see all of these options that you can choose from. Just make sure this information is as accurate as your business can be. The next option is what do you currently use to bill your customers? From here, these are the options. You can choose one of them. And now the last option is how customized is your offering for customers? More or less the same or different or customized. Now you will fill all of this information and after that you will do save and finish. And that is all you'd need to do to generate financial reports in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.